Yo, what's up guys? It's actually a little bit late at night right now, so that's why I'm trying to keep my voice a little bit down. I apologize for, not posting for at least a week or so because my classes have started and it's been a busy week, but I got some content for you guys. So recently I've been really into TECHWEAR. If you guys don't know what TECHWEAR is, this is what it looks like. And I got myself some TECHWEAR pants, but I need a pair of shoes that looks good with the outfit. So check it out. Wait, not this. Wait, no. This one. Wait, no. Okay. I'm gonna show you guys. It's this one right here. I hope you guys like that. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video if you like the, whatever things you like about this video, and look out for my upcoming video because it's gonna be dope. I'm gonna give you a sneak peek of what it is. Yeah, that's probably gonna be my next video, or maybe the video after my next video. You never know. Just hit that subscribe button. Yeah, goodbye.
Cool.